Can you see? So this is to come out. Then I will do 500, 1000. The agbada is completed. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thanks so much. Hello, Custom 2 Venture family. You're welcome once again, channel. Okay, today I will be cutting agbada, Yoruba agbada. And then before we start, we need to get into the class for some things that we need to know. Okay, follow me as I show us one by one. Okay, this is how the agbada looks like. You can see it. There are 3 parts. These are the sleeves and this is the middle. So there's 1, 2, 3 section. Okay, and of course most times this is how the neck looks like. So I will be explaining how we get this. Okay, and then here I have the length. I have the 55 for the length of the agbada, and then I'll be adding 2 inches to it. That is, this one is 55. You can see it, I wrote it 55 plus 2 inches as the length. The 2 inches for the folding, the hemming at the end, and then for this place, so from here to here I will need 21 inches, and then from here to here I will need 24.5 inches with ½ inch sewing allowance. This place I'll be adding 1.5 inches to make it 22.5, because I'll be folding I'll be sewing from here, so I will need more than just ½ an inch. So the same what I do here is what I do here. So now let's get to the cutting of the cloth. So how do we cut the cloth? Since this is a 57 I need, that means I will double it. 57 plus 57, you know, it's going to be up. 57 plus 57, so I'll be getting 114. And then by the time I calculated that one with the yards, I will need about 3 yards. 3 yards plus quarter. 3 yards plus quarter with the extra, just about 1 inch extra, so that paraventure anything happen, it's always better, it's a bit longer than shorter. Okay, so that is the sleeve here. These are the sleeves. Okay, the same thing. So here I also need 57 length, but this time around it's not as wide as this. This one is 24.5 and this one is 21. So follow me as we get to the cutting now. Okay, so let's go. This is 3 yards with a quarter. You take your measurements, 3 yards quarter, and you can see I'll be having 2 sleeves. So what do I do? You know, my sleeve is what? My sleeve is 24 inches, 24.5. Then with sewing allowance I have 25. And here the measurement, by the time I double it, look at it, when it's doubled, you can see it. So if I measure this now, I'll be getting 25. I just have 25. Look at it, I have 25. So what do? I just pierce it into 2. So that will give me the 2 sleeve. Okay, so let me cut it into 2. That will give me the 2 sleeves. Be very, very careful. This person really wants it to be a flowing gown. The length measurement you are cutting might not be as long as that. So you follow whatever your client wants. So I'll be piercing this into 2. Let me make sure it's straight. You've seen a female sewing male agbada perfectly. Okay, so I cut it into 2. If your own folding is more than this length you need, what do? You simply reduce it. But mine, the length of the cloth is just about 51 or so. So cut it into 2. Okay, the 2 sleeves are ready. Then we go for the middle portion, the middle one. And the middle one, you know, as I said, the measurement here is 21, and then I will need 1 yard, and then I will need 1 yard plus 21 inches if you count your own measurements. Okay, so this is the 1 yard 21 inches, and this one I'm going to pierce it into 2. You know, the measurement of the middle is 21 inches with the sewing allowance of 1.5, so I have about 22.5. So here is it. I've measured 1.5 yard of I will measure the 1 yard 21 inches. So you double it like this, fold it into 2, then you pierce it. Okay, I cut it into 2. By the time I cut it into 2, I will join it up, and that will give me what I need. Okay, let me quickly cut this one too. Remember, this one is there, you double whatever it is and join there. Let me quickly cut it. Why I'm making this one 22.5 instead of 21 inches is because I'm joining both sides. So I will need for the joining, the sewing allowance for both sides. Okay. If you have started now and you are here to subscribe, please do subscribe and let the ministry, let the channel keep growing. Okay, now I haven't cut them into 2. Okay, so I join it here. Okay, I will join it here. So this one will be in the middle, while the other one side there in the sleeve. Okay, let me go get to the machines, join it. I will join it and then join it at the end, so this one stays like middle. Okay, while I join the sleeve to the other side. So when you are measuring, you measure from the center of your neck. Okay, so you measure your length from the center of the neck to somewhere here, and then from here to here. So you're going to measure this one. This is what I got for the middle. So from here to the fingertip, or anywhere the person wants to do as the sleeve. So that just fits. They measure your normal length. Thanks so much for staying till now. When I join there, when I couple them, I will come back to show you. Thanks so much, and God bless you. Okay, we can see I've run the embroidery on the agbada. Remember, there were 3 layers. This is the middle one, which is 21 inches. So the embroidery has been run on it, and so I'll be joining the sleeve to the side on the machine. Now this is the center one where the embroidery is, and this is one of the sleeve. So what do? I start from the end of the fabric. So I will use it. This is the center, this is the sleeve. So I use the center one to overlap it like this, cover it like this to sew it, and that's how we run it through. Then having run it through like this, I will come back to do double stitching again so that it be very fun. Okay, let me start. So you go like this and then cover the from the one in the middle is to cover the one in the middle. Okay. Join the three section of the agbada. You see the middle one, the middle where the embroidery is. You can see it. Okay, I joined the three section. This is the middle, the two sleeves. Okay, so I told us how I joined it. I joined it this way. Then I'm now going to sew it, run the stitch to make it firm like this, just to help. So after that, I measure the size I need, which is a 50. If you can remember the measurement, which I put extra there. So I cut the size so that I can explain everything together. So front to front, this is the edge of it, front to front. So look at it, let me explain this very well. So I put extra 2 inches, extra 2 inches. Okay, I want us to see it very well. Extra 2 inches. So I will be sewing the extra 2 inches this way. So from one end of the sleeve, I will just sew about 10 inches here. From the other side, I will just sew another 10 inches so that there will be free movement for whoever is wearing it. Okay, do you understand? So this is the one sleeve, one side of the sleeve. So my 2 inches extra, then I sew it. When I sew it, I will tape it like this, 10 inches inward. From the other side too, 10 inches wide. So this middle side now is left for movements of the person so that it can move very well. I will sew it on there. Can you see? So this is how it will come out. Then I will do 500, 1000. The agbada is completed. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Thanks so much for staying till now. If you are here to subscribe, please do subscribe and let's keep going. Bye. See you in my next video. God bless you.